To properly utilize the metered dose inhaler, which is commonly referred to as a metered spray, you should start by shaking the device thoroughly. Next, remove the cap from the inhaler to reveal the mouthpiece. Prepare to inhale the medication by standing upright and holding the metered dose inhaler vertically in front of you. Be ready to press the metal part with your finger. As you press the metallic part, the medication dose will be dispensed. Make sure the metal part is directed upwards. Slowly and completely empty your lungs outside of the inhaler. Insert the mouthpiece into your mouth and ensure your lips are firmly closed around it. Begin inhaling. Simultaneously press the metal part to release the dose of medication. Maintain your inhalation through the mouth, ensuring it is slow and deep. Take the inhaler out and hold your breath. Hold for 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly away from the inhaler and return to your normal breathing pattern. Cap it. This inhaler is a device that enables you to inhale your medication in a vaporized form. It is possible that you may not feel the vapor at the moment of inhalation, even if you are using your inhaler correctly.